Hey guys, welcome back to Explodey FPS. You plug in your headphones, hit play, and suddenly, boom, sound only on one side. Super annoying, right? Well, today I'm showing you how to fix that in Windows 11. These are quick checks you can do right now, and most of them take less than a minute. Let's dive in. First, check the mono audio setting. If it's turned on, Windows sends the same sound to both sides, and if it bugs out, you can lose one channel completely. Go to Settings, head to Accessibility, click Audio, and make sure mono audio is turned off. Next, fix any balance issues. Right-click your speaker icon, select Sound Settings, scroll down to Advanced, click More Sound Settings. This will open the classic sound panel. Select your active device, click Properties, then Levels, and hit Balance. And right sliders are equal, not one low, one high. Here's a built-in test you can run. Go to Control Panel, Hardware and Sound, Sound. In the Playback tab, right-click your default device, hit Properties, and click the Test button. Left. If you hear it, that channel's fine. Play right, same check. If both work here, Windows is rendering audio perfectly fine, which means the issue is either with your headphones, jack pin, or your PC's port. Speaking of hardware, let's talk compatibility. Mobile phone earphones with a single 3.5mm TRRS plug don't always fully work on PCs unless you're using a splitter. Without it, you might only get sound in one ear. And of course, hardware damage is a real possibility. A bent connector, damaged cable, or a worn-out port can kill one channel instantly. Easiest way to check? Plug the headphones into another device. If the issue follows, it's the headphones. If not, it's your PC port. Finally, if you want to confirm channel output, audiocheck.net or a left-right sound test app. Play left tone,
channel,
then right,
both channels.
quick, clear, and you'll know instantly which side is failing. So that's how you fix one-sided audio in Windows 11. Either it's a simple setting, a quick hardware check, or just swapping out a cable. Saves you time, money, and frustration. If this helped, drop a like, share it with anyone facing the same issue, and I'll see you in the next Explodey FPS tutorial. Till then, happy gaming and keep those settings clean.